Well, coming out of our winter storm we had over the course of the weekend, much of northwest Ohio coming away with 8 to 10 inches of snow. We had the cold weather today and the windy weather that's going to pick up tonight. Great way to keep you connected right there, the free WTOL 11 weather app. And also over the course of the weekend, certainly hope you caught it, our weather updates that were live on WTOL 11 Plus and on our YouTube page. And we're going to continue to update you on those platforms as well as we go through these slew of alert days. That continues tonight through tomorrow with a clipper system that's coming in, a little light snow, but it's really going to whip the winds up. That's the big impact for tonight. And just look at how cold it is right now. We're at 0 in Toledo, a few degrees below 0 south of Toledo, where we got that 8 to 10 inches of snow on the ground. And the big concern tonight, the wind chill factor, about as cold as it's going to get all night, right around 15 to 20 degrees below 0. And winds are gusting to right around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And believe it or not, these winds are only going to increase as we go through midnight. Could reach toward 30 to 35 miles per hour. So the big concern, which is why many districts have already chosen to close or delay, is going to be the bitter cold and the blowing snow into the morning. And I suspect those winds are going to be gusty, creating widespread blowing and drifting snow. Even though temperatures rise between now and daybreak back through the single digits, it is still going to be frigid in the morning. More blowing snow into the afternoon, scattered light snow showers, highs only going to make it into the mid to upper teens. And those winds really do kick up overnight tonight. Here we go after midnight, gusting to about 30 to 35 miles per hour. We're going to stay in that range of about 30 to 35 miles per hour through noon tomorrow. And those winds out of the southwest will turn more west later in the afternoon. And we're going to have many rural areas that are going to have extremely difficult travel with that blowing and drifting of the snow. We'll add a little bit of fresh snow to that as well, and bitter cold wind chills. Now, the coldest of the wind chills right now, between now and 5 a.m., if you are going to get out the door in the morning closer to daybreak, the wind chill factor going to be close to about 10 to 12 below 0. And even through the afternoon, we only make it a few degrees below 0 at the warmest point of the day, so to speak. We'll add a few light snow showers into the mix as we go into Tuesday afternoon. Little to no accumulation beyond about a ½ inch to an inch of snow, but that too would be blowing and drifting as we go through the afternoon. So here's a look at the numbers. Most areas a ½ inch. A few spots though from Lenawee County back into Hillsdale County, parts of Lucas County could get up to an inch of an accumulation, and same deal for the lakeshore areas, a little additional snow. Weather impact alert day going to continue into Tuesday, 18 degrees, blowing snow, gusty winds. It's still going to be very cold with the wind chill Wednesday, 12 degrees, back to 14 on Thursday. It's a very cold setting, and then another weather impact alert day Friday, single digit highs, and we're going to be well below 0 to start the morning. Look at this. Rapid development of Lake Erie ice coverage. We're now up to 43%, including 94% of Lake Erie now ice covered. And considering 2 weeks ago it was nearly empty of ice, we've had now 9,327 square miles of ice coverage just develop over the past couple weeks. So you guessed it, ice fishing beginning to happen. Want to thank Greg for sending these pictures out. Now tomorrow, not a day you want to be on the ice because that could be moving and shifting around quite a bit with those gusty winds, even with much of the lake ice cover. 10-day forecast, it is going to be cold. 18 degrees the high on Tuesday, 12 for Wednesday, 14 Thursday, and look at that low on Friday morning, 9 degrees below 0. Light snow chances, bitterly cold on Friday. Then into the weekend, back into the teens Saturday, upper teens on Sunday. And then next week, we do make it back into the low 20s as we get into early February, and mid 20s possible by the end of that 10-day forecast.